that
And you may
second button.
All of these
right there
are different. You may not have this.
There, that's better.
Sometimes you have a flapper, but I don't have a flapper with me. Or you might have a Mansfield that goes up and down. This goes up and down too. But the Mansfield has no chain. It might have a chain. Sometimes it has a chain, sometimes it doesn't. Usually it doesn't have a chain. This never has a chain. And this is called the shank. This and this are called the shank. And this is the shank washer. And this is the shank nut. And this is the thing where the tubing goes, and then the tubing is connected to the shut-off valve. And that is connected to the wall with the thing that's on the wall to make it look nice, and it's going like that, and it's like that. It has a hole in the middle for the pipe to go. It's that big, or it can be that big. With the sink pipe, it's this big. With the shut-off valve pipe, it's this big. Behind it, it would have 4 spikes on the hole. And this thing right here is the tank will usually be right there. This is to fill up the tank. And so it goes like this. Then it pushes the plunger up, goes there, and comes down there. And this is the cap, and there's holes in there that are for, if this is clogged up, it would come out of there. So it would go like this. Then it would come out of there. I guess this fell off again.
Maybe you're going to need to glue that in.
And so I'm going to show you the plunger, but I'm going to have to take these screws off. This type of screwdriver is hard to control because it's so long. And it's not very good. So when I do that, this is going to come off, and so is this. But you're going to see the plunger. Granny, do you know a place where I can put my screws?
Yeah, just put them right over here on that big part of the sofa right there.
Okay, follow that with me, okay?
Okay. Just right where your knees are right now.
Okay. I'll just keep it in my hand. I couldn't reach, so I'm going to keep it in my hand.
Just put it right next to your leg.
Okay.
Where did you get your screwdriver?
This? Lee gave it to me.
Oh, Lee gave that to you?
Yeah. Not to keep, but, you know.
To use?
Yeah. I think this this one is a little hard to take off by hand. Here's the plunger. This goes like this. And you see this little opening right there? That's for the pipe. And that hole connects to this, and so that's how it fills it up. So when it floats, it's like that. And you see there's no place for the water to go. So when you flush, it's like this. And look at this. Watch. Okay, you see how it's like following that. Okay, so it's like that, and then I'm gonna flush the toilet there. Then now it's filling up, so it's pushing that button, and now it stops. So that's how the plunger is. And this is to start the water. This, I don't know what it's for. It's probably a washer. If like this breaks, it would come from there. Then if that breaks, it would come from there probably. And so the refill tube usually goes to the overflow tube, and the overflow tube goes to the flush valve. The whole thing is a flush valve. I don't know what the bottom part is, but I remember that's the part of the flush valve. And if the float ball is on there, and if the float ball is on and it's too hot for you to put this back on, just take it off. You all to take off, you go to the right, and to tighten, you go to the left. Oh, that's the screw. Oh, there it is. Then you try it. And if it's too hot, you should take off the float onto this. But with mine, it's too hard to take off. So, to me, this thing is kind of hard to control because it's so long. See how long the screwdriver is?
It's very long.
Can't control it. This is a hard screw. I hate this screwdriver because it's very hard to control. Time you just slides it because it's so long.
Mm-hmm.
Here I go again. Good. And here we are back again with the lift wires. This is called a guide but if I told you, just forget that. And this is how it flushes, like that. Usually, when you see it, it would be like that. I've never seen it, so I don't know how far it goes. All I know is it flushes like that. All I've seen is Mansfield and the pump and the and the flapper. That's all I've seen. A Mansfield is that kind that goes up and down with no chain, but sometimes you might see a chain. And it's white, and the flush and the ball pop has these little bumps like that around it. On this thing, it's like there's no screws. No screws.
Okay, is that the end?
No, I think there's more. And now I'm gonna put this back on it.
What is that?
The float ball.
Okay.
The float ball back on. And make sure you want to put it on tight.
Okay.
Very tight. Usually you won't see this gold float ball in toilet tanks. Usually you won't. Sometimes you see them, sometimes you don't. In most tanks you'll see a black one, and some tanks you'll kind of clear.
And there's Zoe, and she's doing her favorite nighttime event, which is writing to her girlfriends on the internet. And I'm not sure how many girlfriends she has online tonight. Would you like to say something, Zoe?
There's not much to say. I'm just chatting with my friend Jenny,
And
she's mad at me because I'm not at school.
Oh.
Which is not really mad. Just joking. But she says I'm lucky,
Wait.
and that's pretty much it.
Okay. The end.
Is it starting?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now say something about that.
About what?
That.
Oh, Zoe on the computer, her nightly favorite thing to do.
And now you have a